Okay, so you're stepping into Microsoft Azure, and wow, it feels like everything's everywhere, right? It can be pretty complex.
Uh-huh. Definitely overwhelming at first glance.
But there's this one core idea, Azure Resource Groups, that really helps bring order from like
Yeah.
day one. That's what we're diving into today. Kind of shortcut to getting organized in the cloud.
Exactly. And honestly, understanding resource groups isn't just helpful, it's foundational. It simplifies so much that could otherwise seem chaotic, really vital for anyone starting out.
Okay, so let's break it down. What exactly is an Azure Resource Group?
Think of it simply as a logical container, maybe like a folder on your computer.
Right, like a folder. So just like you wouldn't dump files for totally different projects into the same physical folder.
Precisely. You keep things separate. This container holds all the related bits and pieces, the resources for one specific application or project.
Got it. So maybe my website's virtual machine and its database go in one group.
Yeah, exactly. And then maybe, your data analysis tools like a server and a function, they live together neatly in a different group.
Okay, that makes managing things way easier. I can see that. Monitoring access control for each project.
Yep, simplifies all of that.
And this isn't just like a suggestion, is it? You have to use them.
Oh yeah, it's mandatory. Every single thing you create in Azure, every resource, must belong to a resource group. No
You
exceptions.
see that when you create something new, right? Like a VM. Azure makes you pick a group or create one then and there.
That's right, it forces the decision. But here's where the real power comes in. Managing the life cycle of your applications.
Lifecycle management, meaning,
Meaning when your project is over, you don't need to manually track down and delete every single component you created. That could be dozens of things.
oh, okay. That sounds like a potential nightmare.
It can be. Instead, you just delete the resource group itself, and Azure takes care of removing everything inside it.
Ah, so the whole collection goes away cleanly together.
Exactly. It's clean, it's efficient, and honestly, it's much safer. Prevents orphaned resources and unexpected costs down the line. It's a really key part of managing things properly.
So bringing this all together, for anyone listening, getting a good handle on resource groups isn't just about tidiness.
Not at all. It's fundamental.
It's a core skill for working effectively, efficiently, and securely in Azure.
Absolutely. Mastering this kind of organization, that's really a cornerstone for becoming proficient with Azure. It sets you up for confident cloud management.
Makes perfect sense.
It's key.
Well, to really master this fundamental skill and, all the other key concepts you need for something like the AZ 900 exam,
Yeah?
you should definitely check out learnazureforfree.com. They've got a complete free video course to get you started today.
Great resource for building that solid foundation.